On June 2, 2025, a video circulated on Telegram showing a Russian Su-34 fighter jet launching a precision-guided FAB-1000 bomb at Ukrainian military positions in the Kherson and Sumy regions. This airstrike marked yet another escalation in Russia's growing reliance on long-range, high-impact aerial attacks deep behind enemy lines. According to footage and field reports, the bomb, equipped with a UMPK guidance kit, was dropped from a significant distance and struck its target with remarkable accuracy. The targeted locations were believed to be Ukrainian military strongholds, including fortified positions and logistics hubs near active front lines in Kherson and Sumy. These regions have seen intense clashes over the past several months. The FAB-1000 is a general-purpose bomb weighing approximately 1 metric ton. When modified with the UMPK kit, a glide module with satellite navigation, the bomb becomes a deadly standoff weapon. This system allows it to glide 40 to 60 kilometers from its release point, hitting targets with an estimated accuracy of just 10 meters. Its primary use is to destroy bunkers, ammunition depots, and dense troop formations without requiring the jet to enter high-risk airspace. The Su-34 is Russia's dedicated strike aircraft, part of its 4++ generation of combat jets. Designed for deep strike missions, it carries heavy payloads and advanced navigation systems. On June 2nd, Su-34s likely launched their bombs from well behind the front lines using the UMPK kits to maintain distance from Ukrainian air defenses. This reflects Moscow's broader strategy: reduce pilot exposure while maintaining offensive pressure. Pro-Russian sources claim the strikes caused secondary explosions, possibly indicating the destruction of Ukrainian ammo stockpiles or supply trucks. At the time of this report, Ukrainian officials have not released an official statement verifying the damage. Still, the precision and scale of the attack suggest it may have disrupted local operations and forced defensive repositioning. Ukraine continues to strengthen its air defense systems, deploying NASAMS, IRIS-T, and Soviet-era interceptors to counter Russian air attacks. Ukrainian forces have reported downing several Su-34 and Su-25 aircraft in recent weeks. However, glide bombs like the FAB-1000, with extended range and guided accuracy, pose a difficult challenge. They can be deployed from outside the effective range of most air defense systems, complicating interception efforts. The use of FAB-1000 bombs by Su-34 aircraft on June 2nd reflects Russia's evolving aerial strategy: strike hard, from afar, with precision. Whether this tactic delivers sustained strategic gains remains to be seen, especially as Ukraine adapts and bolsters its defenses. But one thing is clear: air power continues to shape the battlefield in this ongoing conflict. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion.